Have you ever wondered how crucial data security and privacy are in our digital world? In an era where data has become the most valuable asset, the importance of data security and privacy can't be overstated. From personal details like your name, address, and bank information to corporate secrets and intellectual property, data is the lifeblood of our digital existence, and just as we protect our physical assets, we must also safeguard our digital ones. In recent years, we've seen a surge in data breaches and cyber attacks. In fact, it's estimated that every 40 seconds, a business falls victim to a ransomware attack. This is not just a concern for large corporations, but for every individual connected to the digital world. Why? Because when a data breach happens, it's not just numbers and facts that are stolen, it's our identities, our privacy, and our peace of mind. But what can we do about it? That's where cybersecurity comes in. Cybersecurity is the practice of protecting systems, networks, and programs from digital attacks. It's like a digital fortress designed to keep our data safe from prying eyes. And it's not just about building higher walls. It's about understanding the strategies and tactics of cybercriminals and outsmarting them at every turn. Most importantly, cybersecurity isn't just the responsibility of IT professionals. It's up to all of us. Every time we create a strong password, update our software, or think twice about clicking on a suspicious link, we're contributing to our own data security and privacy. So as you can see, data security and privacy are more than just buzzwords. They are essential elements in our digital world. Whether you're an individual trying to protect your personal information or a business safeguarding the data of millions, remember this: in the digital age, the greatest defense is knowledge and the greatest weapon is vigilance. To illustrate the importance of data security and privacy, consider the infamous Equifax data breach incident. This incident, which occurred in 2017, stands as one of the largest and most damaging data breaches in history. Equifax, a multinational consumer credit reporting agency, became the unfortunate epicenter of a cyber attack that exposed sensitive information of nearly 147 million people. This breach was a stark reminder that even large, seemingly secure corporations are not immune to the sophisticated tactics of cybercriminals. In this instance, the attackers exploited a vulnerability in the Apache Struts web application software, a tool used by Equifax. Despite a patch being available to fix this vulnerability, Equifax failed to implement it in a timely manner, allowing the attackers to infiltrate their systems undetected. The data exposed included names, social security numbers, birth dates, addresses, and in some cases, driver's license numbers. This information is a goldmine for identity thieves, and its exposure put countless individuals at risk of fraud and identity theft. The aftermath of the breach was catastrophic for Equifax. The company faced a whirlwind of criticism, lawsuits, and investigations. It also had to bear the financial burden of the breach, which amounted to hundreds of millions of dollars in settlements, fines, and remediation costs. Equifax's reputation took a major hit, and trust in the company plummeted. But the consequences extended beyond Equifax. The individuals whose data was compromised faced the anxiety of potential identity theft and had to take measures to protect themselves. This incident served as a wake-up call for many about the importance of personal data security and privacy. In sum, the Equifax data breach underscores the critical importance of maintaining robust data security and privacy measures. It shows that even a small oversight or delay in patching a known vulnerability can result in a large-scale data breach with far-reaching consequences. As the Equifax case demonstrates, failing to adequately protect data can have serious consequences. Now that we understand the importance of data security and privacy, how can we ensure they're upheld? The first step is creating strong, unique passwords. Passwords are the keys to our digital lives, and they should be as complex and unique as possible. You wouldn't want to use the same key for your home, car, and office, would you? Similarly, using the same password across multiple platforms increases the risk of a data breach. Next, let's talk about two-factor authentication, or 2FA. This is like having a second lock on your door. Even if someone gets your password, they still need to bypass this second level of security. This could be a text message sent to your phone, a fingerprint, or even a facial scan. Now, onto software updates. I know they can be annoying, popping up right when you're in the middle of something important, but they're crucial for data security. These updates often include patches for security vulnerabilities that hackers could exploit. Staying updated is staying protected. But what about phishing? This is when cybercriminals attempt to trick you into giving up your personal information. They might send an email pretending to be from your bank, asking you to log into your account. But the link leads to a fake website designed to steal your information. Always be cautious and remember that if something seems too good to be true, it probably is. These practices are not foolproof shields, but they significantly reduce the risk of falling victim to data breaches and cyber attacks. Remember, in the digital world, your security is in your hands. Be vigilant, be proactive, and take control of your data security and privacy. By implementing these practices, you can significantly enhance your data security and privacy. So what have we learned about data security and privacy today? We've delved into the critical importance of safeguarding our data, understanding that it's not just about protecting personal information, but also about preserving trust, integrity, and business continuity. We then took a closer look at the infamous Equifax data breach, a sobering reminder of the devastating consequences when data security fails. It served as a stark illustration of the potential damage and long-lasting impact that can come from such security breaches. We also discussed some of the best practices for data security and privacy, from strong and unique passwords, multi-factor authentication, to regular software updates. These measures are our frontline defense against potential threats. And let's not forget about the importance of ongoing education and awareness to stay ahead of evolving cybersecurity challenges. Remember, in our digital world, your data is your most valuable asset. Protect it like you would anything else that's precious to you.